This is number 10 in the Summer Song Cycle series of 2020. It's about living in Winston-Salem. I don't like running into you. It reminds me the dream's not coming true, and I'm still not over you. Everywhere we used to go has burned a memory in my soul, and I have got to let it go. I wish I could go and erase every single special place. Everywhere I see your face, I don't like running into you. It reminds me the dream's not coming true, and I'm still not over you. What she got that I don't have, it makes me sad it's gonna last. I'm just a page from your past. I'm stuck here in this same small town. Years of memories weigh me down. Stay at home, don't come around. I hope that I won't be here long. You better miss me when I'm gone. There is a twinkle in your eye that you can't disguise. I know you're still not over me. I'm not the only one that sees that you're still hung up on me. I wish I could appreciate, but these matters complicate. So I am left with this heartache. How long will I have to wait before this pain will hesitate, and I can live down this mistake? I don't like running into you.